Back to the channel. Yes, we're being safe. We're in Chicago. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the channel. What we have today on our B6 platform is that we have the latch indicating that it's, or I should say, in our dashboard we have the latch indicating that the hood is open, the bonnet, and we want to get rid of that because the hood is actually closed, solidly closed. Let me show you what I'm talking about. I have the battery disconnected because it was going off last night. The siren wasn't going off, but the lights were. So I just connected the battery and let's show you what's going on. So I'm gonna close the hood. As you can see, it's open. So I guess I have that issue. I think it has to do with my latch on the inside. I pulled it hard when I got in. Alright, so my hood latch is here. So I might have actually damaged it. But anyhow, the cable was being pulled. So now I released it. And now it's closed, as you can see. So let's start the car. Where's the keys? Let's go ahead and start the car. Oops. Press the clutch. As you can see here, starting. And now it says the hood is fine. The trunk is open, which it is. Interesting. Alright, well, until that hood thing comes back again, what I'm gonna do is actually use some electrical cleaner and make sure that it no longer comes back. So let me open the hood again. I got my electrical cleaner. So what I'm gonna do is spray the latch. I believe the switch electrical connectivity that the sensor has is connected in here. And at the back of the engine, or I should say the back of the latch, you can see this little cable here that runs down and connects with this cable here. So I'm gonna spray it and let's see what happens. Well, we won't see what happens. So here is the issue. The trunk latch is closed. But it's still saying that the hood is open, and having this issue, the lights goes off when you leave the car parked, and all doors are closed, but the latch on the hood is not. This is in its normal position, so I'm not sure what the issue is. I've tried using a electrical cleaner. I sprayed the latch, but still the issue persists. So I think what it is that I'm gonna have to disconnect the battery again and probably take it to a shop and find out how to fix it. I haven't seen anything on YouTube, but if you guys know how to fix it, let me know in the comments. Maybe it's a little disconnecting of something, checking a fuse or something. Let me know in the comments. And yeah, so if you have a B6, maybe a B7 might have the same similar issue, but if you have a B6 and you have the same issue and you've resolved it, let me know in the comments. Also, if you like this video or where I'm going with it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Enjoy.